Hello and welcome back to Single Malt Lover. If you're new to the channel, my name is Razwal and I post videos every week on how to do easy cocktails that can be done at home. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do Island Handshake. This cocktail is based with dark rum, blue curacao, plantain puree, spice syrup and lime juice. So take your shaker, add about 5 chunks of pineapple. There you go. Take your muddler, give it a nice muddle. Add about 30 ml of the plantain puree. There you go. 20 ml of spice syrup. 15 ml of the blue curacao. 20 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. And 60 ml of the dark rum. Don't forget to add the ice, guys. Take your shaker and give it a nice vigorous shake. Take your highball, or if you don't have a highball, you can use any glass to directly pour it in the glass. There you go. To garnish your drink, all you need is pineapple leaves. So just take about 3 or 4 pineapple leaves, just put it in a glass. That's your Island Handshake. Cheers. That's interesting. You gotta try that, guys. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Don't forget to drop me a comment below and smash the subscribe button. Anyway, cheers and enjoy. Until then, peace.